Good morning, class 5. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing good and keeping safe and happy. At the same time, you are keeping fit and taking care of yourselves as well as taking care of your parents and listening to them and respecting them as much as you can and not upsetting them at this moment. Don't trouble them too much. So, this is an odd situation right now that 24 hours we are seeing each other at home, but I get to see you. I don't get to see you. Sorry, I mistook it. I don't get to see you guys, but if you are watching the video, you're going to see me. But that doesn't make it all. I would love to, and I'm dying to be in school and when the classes start. When I don't know, but that interaction with children and you explaining during in live, in front of you, that's something more different. But with the situation going on right now, I have to help you out in this way as much as I can. But let's hope for the best, and I'm trying my best to give you as much as information about each chapter so that you understand. And please follow that download section in your website. I'm going to post these question answers will be there. You have to find the answers. Questions are in your book. Answers I will put. A lot of answers I will put, which are related to your story. You have to find that answer and put it in that question. Okay. So that will be a little bit work, so that you will be busy and you will be able to do your studies properly, and you will know the chapter fully. You won't forget. Like, will you forget Mr. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Let's go to that page. We were there yesterday, and it was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. We were learning about the reformers who reformed our society and gave support to all women and girls for studies and support them in the society. Widows were supported. Each of the reformers, if you go to see, if we start from Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, Pandita Ramabai, and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, all four of these are the only four which are given here. There are many more people who had tried to reform and help the society from this chaos which was happening at that time. All four of them, you have seen, their main intention was to support the girl, the females, the girl, child, the women, the widows. Their all transformation was that they wanted to support this gender. At the end of the day, without this female gender, I and you wouldn't have been in this world. That's what it's saying. Your mother gives birth to us. Our mother gives birth to us, right? So without her, how did we come into this world? We are not going into the biological factors. Forget that. Simple knowledge, because of this female gender, human beings are in this world. Even females are there. Even females are born. Mothers give born, not only boys. So we are all same. Yes, physically we are different. We look different. We wear clothes differently. Our physical attire is different. Our body language is different. But that doesn't mean we are separating. We can be separated, but we have that name. Girls are not only supposed to wash clothes, clean the house, and take care of children and give birth to children and take care of the house. No, that's not her job. Yes, as a housewife, if she's a housewife, she has to control. But there are so many people who work also and control their house. How are they doing that? I have seen people do it. I have seen people, or women rather, every day in my life I see that they are managing their house and as well as managing their kids and as well as doing their work and saving up money and working also. Self-dependent. They are married. I have seen widows who have got much more elder children, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have seen widows with small children, those who are working outside with full respect. They put their head up and work, and they come home and they take care of their family and their kids. But no one is happy. They say, oh, she is doing it. But you tell a man to do it, he won't be able to do it. Go work, come back, cook, take care of the children, send them to school, do this, do that, bring the milk, do this, do that. Yes, I see some husbands bringing milk, some sons bringing milk. That's their duty. Milk bringing is their duty. It's good. It's a part of housework, part of domestic work which they're helping with the family. But you tell anyone to wash the plates or do the dishes in the house, they won't do it. Why? Why is the girl going to do it? I am eating in my plate. I should wash my plate, right? See, my thinking is very liberal, and it's I have huge diversity, it's unity of diversities inside me. I don't prejudice anyone, I don't discriminate anyone, I don't, yes, I do hate people. The people who I hate, I don't talk to them. The people who I don't like, it's better I keep myself away instead of mingling with them. To explain a fool takes much more time than explaining an educated person. Educated person will understand like that. But a fool will never understand, because his mind, that structure, is in that point. Whatever he understands, he thinks that is right. He never understands what is actually right. So it's not what we do, it's how we do it. Okay. So I'll just read it through once again, because we have already done it. And then make sure you follow the website. I'm going to put up question answers there. Your job is fill in the blanks. Raja Ram Mohan Roy started what did he start? What did he start? Fight against the cruel practice of sati, burning Hindus' widow alive along with their body. This is an inhuman custom practice. Raja Ram Mohan Roy affects such. What did he do? Let me see. Let me read it properly. Started a new religious order. What was the new religious order? Did he start? What was the religious order did he start? He wished to reform the Indian society, which was dominated by the upper caste and superstitious rituals. He started the Brahmo Samaj, a new religious order. I knew the answer, I would have told you, but I wanted to show it to you in the book also. Okay. So it's on page 110, Brahmo Samaj. Then was the father of the Indian Renaissance. Who was the father of the Indian Renaissance? Raja Ram Mohan Roy is regarded as the father of the Indian Renaissance. Renaissance means change, revolution, evolution, change happening, something for a better part. The Arya Samaj was started by Dayanand Saraswati. Pandita Ramabai founded the Arya Mahila Samaj in Pune. Okay. Aligarh, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded the Aligarh Muslim University. Unscramble the letters. First one is Sati. That is written Tisa. It is going to be Sati. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was born here in Bengal. That is Benealg. It is written, so it is going to be Bengal, Bengal. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded this Brahmo Samaj. Dayanand Saraswati, founder of the Arya Samaj. Sacred Hindu religious text is the Vedas. Okay, true or false? Reformers did not want to change the society. False. Raja Ram Mohan Roy campaigned against Sati. True. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Arya Samaj. False. Dayanand Saraswati wanted women to be educated. Yes. Through education, some also followers found the Dayananda when the schools were run mixed. Dayanand Saraswati wanted women to be educated. False. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan wanted to have the Parda system in the society. False. Reformers did not want to change the society, false. Raja Ram Mohan Roy campaigned against the sati, true. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Arya Samaj, false. Dayanand Saraswati wanted women to be educated, true. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan wanted to have the parda system in the society, false. Choose the correct answer. Which of these is known as the Society of Nobles? Sardar Sardan, Arya Samaj, Brahmo Samaj, none of these. Society of the Nobles is called the Brahma Samaj. None of these. Which of these known as the Society of the Nobles? Arya Samaj, Society of the Nobles. Whose followers founded the Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School? Dayanand Saraswati. Which of these were condemned by the Arya Samaj? Idol worship, caste system, child marriage, all of these. It was a Hindu reform movement in India which wanted people to free from domination of the upper caste rituals. The Arya Samaj condemned idol worship, animal sacrifices, caste system, child marriage. Child marriage, idol worship, caste system, all of these. Who could recite 20,000 verses by the age of 15? Pandita Ramabai. Which of these was founded by Pandita Ramabai? Sardar Sadan. Okay. Answer the following questions. What were the social reforms brought by Raja Ram Mohan Roy? It is there. You can write that. Why was sati abolished? Who founded the Arya Samaj and why? Who founded the Sardar Sadan and why? It is written there. Answers are there. How did Syed Ahmad Khan work to improve the condition of women in the Indian society? He made schools for established schools. He wanted girls to be educated and established schools for both boys and girls. He challenged the rigidity that he had set in the society. Sir Syed also believed that any change in the society was only possible through education and improvement in the position of women. That's all. Easy. Okay. So I'll come back in the next video.